Today we are here to review the Snickers White and the Twix White, both with white chocolate rather than milk chocolate. Not sure if these are new, but I've never seen them before. So we got these at Walgreens, and Walgreens seems to be a place to go if you can't find it at like Target or Walmart or your local store. Sometimes Walgreens has unusual or the newest candies. So this is what it looks like. And that's what it looks like on the inside. A little hard to see because it's all white, light brown. I think I like it. I think I like the milk chocolate just a little bit better. Only because I'm partial to milk chocolate. But if you rather have white chocolate, this is actually very good too. It still has the nougat, the peanuts, and the caramel. So you still have all that stuff. Okay, this is Twix. Twix always comes with two. A left side and a right side. So, let's see. So this one also has the regular cookie on the bottom, and then the caramel above it, and then it's enrobed with white chocolate. This one, let's see. I think the white chocolate's thinner on this one, so I can't taste it as much. I think the caramel kind of overpowers the taste of the white chocolate. Whereas this one, the white chocolate's thicker, so. But if you like white chocolate, you'll probably like this one better anyway. So, if you like white chocolate, you want to look for these two. They seem to be out now, so try them out. And I'm going to take another bite of this one. That's better. And I'll see you in the next one.